What's up, news fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the explosive Sean Diddy Combs trial, where a key witness has just taken the stand, sending shockwaves through the courtroom. We're talking about Regina Ventura, the mother of Cassie Ventura, and her testimony is painting a chilling picture of her daughter's relationship with the music mogul. Buckle up, because this is a developing story you won't want to miss. Let's get into it. The atmosphere in the New York courtroom was reportedly thick with tension as Regina Ventura took the stand. Her presence alone underscored the gravity of the allegations surrounding Sean Diddy Combs, allegations that have now drawn in the direct testimony of a concerned mother. According to reports emerging from the trial, Regina Ventura spoke candidly about incidents she witnessed during her daughter Cassie's relationship with Combs, and her words have been described as deeply impactful. The core of her testimony, as reported, revolved around moments that left her scared for my daughter's safety. This simple yet powerful statement speaks volumes, hinting at a level of concern that goes beyond typical parental worries. While the specific details of her testimony are still unfolding and subject to the legal proceedings, the fact that Cassie's own mother felt compelled to testify about her fears adds a significant layer to the narrative surrounding Combs. This trial, as many of you know, stems from the numerous allegations that have surfaced against Sean Combs, ranging from sexual assault and trafficking to emotional abuse. Cassie Ventura herself settled a lawsuit with Combs late last year, though the details of that settlement remain largely private. However, the ongoing legal scrutiny continues, and the testimonies of individuals close to the situation, like Regina Ventura, are crucial in understanding the dynamics of these relationships. Regina Ventura's testimony likely provides a perspective that hasn't been fully heard before, the viewpoint of a mother observing her daughter's experiences. What did she see? What interactions caused her such concern that she would testify in a high-profile trial? These are the questions many are now asking. It's important to remember that testimony is just one part of a legal process. Sean Combs and his legal team have consistently denied the allegations against him. However, the emotional weight of a mother expressing fear for her child's well-being in a courtroom setting is undeniably powerful and can significantly influence public perception and potentially the legal proceedings themselves. We need to be careful not to jump to conclusions and allow the legal process to unfold. However, the introduction of Regina Ventura's testimony adds a deeply personal and potentially very revealing dimension to this case. It moves beyond just the accounts of the alleged victims themselves and brings in the perspective of a family member who witnessed events firsthand and felt compelled to speak out. To understand the significance of Regina Ventura's testimony, we need to zoom out and look at the broader context of the legal battles Sean Combs is currently facing. Beyond Cassie Ventura's initial lawsuit, other individuals have come forward with their own disturbing allegations. These accusations paint a picture that has shocked many and led to intense scrutiny of Combs' past relationships and behavior. Federal authorities have also been involved, with raids conducted on Combs' properties in Los Angeles and Miami earlier this year as part of an ongoing investigation. While the specifics of this investigation haven't been fully disclosed, it underscores the seriousness of the claims being made. In this environment, the testimony of someone like Regina Ventura carries significant weight. She is not an alleged victim herself, but rather a close family member who claims to have witnessed concerning aspects of her daughter's relationship. This can provide corroborating evidence, or at least offer a different angle on the dynamics at play. What kind of incidents might Regina Ventura have witnessed that would lead her to feel scared for my daughter's safety? While we don't have the exact details of her testimony publicly available yet, we can speculate based on the nature of the allegations that have been made. These could range from controlling behaviors and emotional manipulation to more serious incidents of alleged abuse. The impact of a parent testifying about their fears for their child is often profound. It taps into a universal sense of protectiveness and can resonate deeply with a jury and the public alike. Regina Ventura's presence on the stand likely brought a human element to a case that often deals with complex legal arguments and, sometimes, abstract allegations. So, what could be the potential impact of Regina Ventura's testimony? Firstly, it could lend further credibility to Cassie Ventura's past claims and potentially influence any ongoing or future legal proceedings related to Sean Combs. A mother's testimony about fearing for her daughter's safety can be incredibly persuasive. Secondly, it adds another layer of public scrutiny to Combs. Even for those who might question the accounts of alleged victims, the testimony of a concerned parent can be harder to dismiss. It suggests that the issues at hand were visible and concerning to those close to the situation. Thirdly, this could embolden other individuals who may have witnessed similar behavior or who themselves have had negative experiences with Combs to come forward. Seeing a mother take the stand to speak her truth can be a powerful motivator for others who may have felt silenced or afraid. Of course, the defense team for Sean Combs will likely work to counter this testimony, perhaps by questioning Regina Ventura's perspective or the accuracy of her recollections. This is the nature of a trial. Both sides present their case, and it's up to the judge or jury to weigh the evidence. However, the initial reports of her testimony clearly indicate its emotional impact. The phrase "scared for my daughter's safety" is stark and evokes a strong sense of unease. It suggests that whatever Regina Ventura witnessed went beyond typical relationship issues and raised genuine concerns for Cassie's well-being. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your initial thoughts on Regina Ventura's testimony? Does this new development change how you view the ongoing legal saga surrounding Sean Combs? Let us know in the comments below. We're always interested in hearing your perspectives. This trial is far from over, and we will continue to bring you the latest updates as they unfold. The testimony of Regina Ventura is undoubtedly a significant moment, adding a deeply personal and potentially damning perspective to the allegations against Sean Diddy Combs. So, to recap, Cassie Ventura's mother, Regina Ventura, has taken the stand in the Sean Diddy Combs trial in New York, testifying about incidents she witnessed that left her scared for my daughter's safety. This powerful testimony adds another layer to the already complex and serious allegations against the music mogul. We will continue to follow this story closely and bring you any significant developments. Thank you for tuning in, News Fam. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more updates, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our breaking news coverage. Until next time, stay informed.